up, you guys? We made it to Colorado. I was able to successfully purse pack, didn't have any problems getting on the airplane. This house angle, okay. What is up, you guys? I am coming to you, not really live, but anyway, coming to you from Denver, Colorado. We made it. I was able to purse pack and get on the airplane, and then we crashed when we came to our Airbnb, but I want to show you it because it's absolutely beautiful. Dad's in it. Our Airbnb is absolutely incredible, and I want to show you the good deal that we got. Okay guys, so we are about to head to Chautauqua. It's a park over in Boulder. It's a beautiful trail that we want to take our parents on because they've never seen it, and me and my brother have been on it. I think it was like 3 or 4 years ago. So it's been a while. I'm excited to get out there, and I've got on my Colorado outfit. Very proud, very proud. So let's see what we can get in today, and I'll bring you guys along. Alright, we just showed up to Chautauqua. It is so packed, but it's equal parts beautiful. Love you guys. So we started way down there where that white car is, you can see. We walked this path, and now we're already exhausted. Me. So we're gonna go try and take the easier path, but I mean, check out this view.
I can keep taking breaks, I'm good. Yeah, you kind of can't really see the trail here. Where does it go? Up.
Okay, so we did our hike. We got some coffee to fuel us up. Now we are heading to Pearl Street, the strip, whatever it's called, I don't know. I'll figure it out and let you know. So we were walking around, and we just got a bunch of free one bars. See if they can focus. Everyone hold up your one bars.
More like 10 bars.
More like 10 bars.
Look, there's hardly any.
Okay, you guys, we're in downtown Boulder. There's like some sort of everyone gives something away day going on. We've got Bobo's sandwiches, coupons, Pete's coffee, full kombuchas. Glasses. Oh my gosh. We don't know what's going on, but everyone's giving away stuff, and we actually came here at the right time, I guess. Burritos, cheers.
The North Face store.
Hey guys, I am back at the Airbnb. I got this Boulder shirt, super cute. We had a crazy day. Ran into some health and sports expo. Apparently that's what that was that I was talking about. I want to show you guys all of the free stuff that we happened to stumble upon in this sports expo. So take a look at this. We've got so many one bars, which are really, really good. A ton of Pete's coffee, some glasses, more one bars, Bobo's snacks. They're really good. Coupons. We got 2 free whole kombuchas, Kavita kombuchas, which is nuts to me. And this is so heavy. It's another Bobo's thing. So we got a ton of free stuff just for being in the right place at the right time. It's crazy. All right, guys, it is time to take a shower and go to bed and do it all again tomorrow. We are heading to Estes Park. Super excited for that. It's gonna be a crazy day. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.